Hello everyone, welcome to another video on how to use AI chatbots and R coding to produce some beautiful graphs and charts and tables and statistical analysis using publicly available data. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use this particular prompt to create a simple line chart. I'm just going to copy this and put this into my Gemini, and then I'm just going to share some specific information given the dataset that we have. From the last few videos, you might remember that the name of the data frame or data set here is FWB data because that's how we named it. We could have named it anything, and whatever we name it, we're just going to copy that name and put that into this blank space. The next thing we do is share some more information with this AI tool. The first information we have to share is X variable name. So here what I want to show is how does financial well-being score changes over people's lifetime. So in the X axis I'm going to show age category, and the Y axis I'm going to show the average financial well-being score. So for the X axis we need to figure out the age variable. So I just typed age here, and then I'm just looking for the age variable. Age cat is the name of the age variable, so I'm just going to copy age cat, put that here, and then keep searching for this. There you go. So now we have arrived at this place in the codebook which shares with us how this age category variable has been coded. So it looks like there are no missing responses, which is a good thing. And age category has been coded as 1 to 8, where 1 means 18 to 24. So all this information we have to share with Gemini. So I'm just going to say to Gemini is that the X variable is age cat, which means age category, and coded as, now this part is going to be kind of tedious because we'll have to keep copying and pasting some stuff. So I'm just going to copy it from here, the meaning of 1, paste it here, and then 2 equals, copy from here, paste it here, this and this. I know this is tedious. I mean, you might be able to even upload the PDF and so that Gemini knows how these things have been coded in the data set and it can figure it out all by itself. But right now I'm just doing these things manually so that it's easier for me to communicate what I want to these AI tools. But of course there might be a way to just upload this PDF and it just knows how things have been coded. That's also possible. I encourage you to do that, but I'm going to just continue what I have been doing so far. So now I have to provide information on the Y variable, which is FWB score. So FWB score, which means, again, this is financial well-being score, and it's actually coded as you don't need to provide information on it. You can just skip this part for this variable and filter out observations where variables are negative. Of course the age doesn't have a negative value, but FWB score does have some negative value. Now yes, the rest of the instructions are correctly written. I hope it says that show me R code using ggplot2 to create a line chart showing the average of Y value for each level of X variable. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with that prompt. So I'm just going to click submit, and I'm just going to have my fingers crossed. Let's see what Gemini produces. So I just copied the code from here. I'm just going to put that here, and then I'm going to select all this and click run. Let's see what it produces. So it looks like this. This is actually pretty good. This is quite high quality graph that I can produce with what I shared with Gemini and what it shared back with me. So I hope this video shows you how easy it is to create some of these rather complex graphs using an AI chatbot and then RStudio.